name's Casey Ashley. I'm from a little small town in South Carolina. I'm a professional bass fisherman. I fished from California to New York. Fresh out of college, I started bass fishing and kind of worked my way up. I fished the Bassmaster Elite Series. It's the top 100 anglers in the world.
And when you pull the cover off, then it's time to get a little bit lost.
And also, I'm a country music singer.
Gonna back this boat into the water, find a way to win a couple dollars. Weatherman says there's a cold.
Casey came to us at 22 years old. He was the youngest Elite Series angler at that point. And the reason he keeps on coming back to us is because we're consistent. We stand behind our work. Our guys, our installers, our production crew, our designers, all of that takes a major part in that final product to keep these clients coming back to us.
You know, this is the 5th year that he's wrapped my boat, and I've never had a minute's trouble out of it. He does the best work that I've seen.
The form of vehicle advertising and full color graphics really become popular to where some tournaments actually require them to have their boats wrapped.
In our career, we have to have our boats wrapped. It's a rule in the Bassmaster Elite Series. So the first year I made it, and I was scrambling around, you know, I didn't know anything about boat wraps, and you know, I was thinking this wrap's probably going to come off here in 2 weeks. But man, I tell you what, I was surprised. At the end of the year, it's got beats and bangs all over it, but you'd be surprised how much it protects the boat. So after that year, I said, those guys will be doing mine from now on.
We started Wrap This about 5 years ago. It's just a division of Media One. So Media One does the UL licensed manufacture of channel letters and pylon signs, things like that. Wrap This specifically does vehicle wraps and vehicle graphics. The bass boat season, it pretty much is from the middle of January to the middle of March. In that time period, we probably do about 45 to 50 boat and truck rigs, and they need to get back on the road and get back to the fishing season. So it's very important that we can produce fast enough to their downtime with us is 2-3 days at the very max.
The HP L25-500 has been a great add-on to our facility. We picked it up about 4 months ago. Since then, we've noticed a significant savings on cost of product as well as labor. The machine is basically plug and play.
Just the HP latex machine alone has printed 18,000 square feet of digital prints, and we have sold those prints for a total of $150,000.
As you can imagine, you take a lot of risk printing at such a large scale, which makes a printer very important. We want to make sure that the end result, the client's getting what they were picturing to begin with. You can see as Pete works it in there with the heat, it's really stretching that vinyl, but we're not losing any color. That's a very big benefit with this new latex L25-500. The opacity of the ink makes it special. The fact that it's a latex, it's biting in that, the durability of it, as soon as it comes off the machine, you can basically take a key and scratch the material. On some of the older solvent machines, if you were to touch it within a couple-minute period, you would actually wipe the ink off of it. So that being said, really makes the HP special to us.
We have 1 HP and 2 solvent machines, and we're going to be replacing those 2 solvent machines with another HP. Those 2 HP machines will keep up with the demand that those 3 solvent machines were doing.
We average on a solvent machine anywhere from 5 to 15% direct loss just on wasted material from dropouts, banding. Since we've had the HP, we've had maybe 1%, and that was from user error. The fact that the HP L25-500 dries as soon as it comes off the machine and we're able to laminate it, it increased our production levels. We can actually print on the fly and laminate on the fly. You can monitor how much material and ink usage that you're using, so from a small shop to a big shop, that's very important.
So pleased with HP because not only is it a phenomenal product that we're making money on, but the fact that this company is wanting our take on how their product is and how it's increasing our business. It's just not us buying a piece of equipment and we're off on our own. It's really a nice thing to see that they have our backs like they do.